Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves Weekly Forex Forecast. We Trade Waves. Guys, welcome back to a new Forex Forecast. I really hope most of you made money last week. Market was moving as expected for a lot of pairs. We'll actually discuss this in details. All of you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's get started. Euro dollar for this one, and by the way, before I start, we have added the XY again for you. Those of you who were asking about it, the XY is here again. Okay? Euro dollar, last week we said market will push to the upside, right? So we've got a small gap at the start of the trading week, and market started to push down. Under this low, we started to push up again. If you took this buy, I really hope you made money because this was a clear buy setup to the upside. We've got this up wave here, and if I just put the drawings again, these are my drawings. Under this low, we were getting a setup to the upside, and we've got this up wave up, corrective structure. This is an expanding flat, by the way, inside a regular flat, and then up again. If you know how to trade correctly, guys, you can trade from under this low, or you can wait for the confirmation to go for this buy. In all the cases, if you took this buy, you must have made money. If not, after this up wave, market actually gave us a reaction from here to the downside, and we broke this low again. Under this low, we've got a buy setup, and the market started to push up. This buy setup, guys, it was more than 5-1 for We Trade waivers. That's why I always say you should learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. And Alan, why market needs to break this low? Because at this point of the time here, we're having another block. If you look left, there was another block here. And if we combine this with wave, with structures, this wave was actually needed before the next up move. Regardless, under this low, this was the move to the upside. If you took this buy, fantastic. If not, this was a must to the upside. And again, for We Trade Waves, they've got actually the strategy exactly as explained inside the masterclass course. And this was more than 5-1 trade to the upside. If not, after this up wave, market started to fall. Now, this move was due to FOMC, and this was due to NFP. Usually, when we have FOMC and we have NFP, market will go in the opposite directions. And this is something known to us. That's why, guys, experience is very important, and knowledge is very, very, I would say, it's powerful. Again, I'm repeating, do not waste, guys, another month. Do not waste February. Try to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Because if you was not able to make money with this up wave, and then with the next up wave here, then something is wrong. Okay, so either it's with your risk management, either with your knowledge. Get the knowledge, and then you have all the opportunities for the next few months and the next few years as well. And before I cover what's next, let me show you what our members were doing for this week, and then we'll continue what's next for your dollar. If I go to our Slack group, our private community, this is Rob, by the way. Rob passed this challenge this week, and as you can see, look how many likes, how many actually congrats you've got. That's the power of the community. And those of you who don't know, Rob actually, he traded mostly gold, and he do also gold sessions for our members. Again, Rob, we are proud of you, and all the members who are making money and making progress, you will get there. Okay, and it's not only about one member. If I scroll down, you will see also Gerald. He passed 3 challenges just in January. So that's the thing, guys. That's actually the beauty of being with the like-minded people, with the right community. This is what you will achieve, or this is what you can achieve. It's not like magical. You need to put the work on it. You need actually to work for it in order to achieve these, pass these challenges. Okay? I'm making money from trading. T is making money from trading. We are trading investors' money as well. 7-digit accounts, and also we are trading our own accounts. We have showed you this before more than once and more than one proof. And again, I'm repeating, it's not us if we are making money, because we are making money from trading. Okay? It's you. We want you to succeed with us, and we have the best trading community in the world. Okay? Again, if you want to know more, go to our website and you can find everything about We Trade Waves there. Now, back to your dollar. Alan, after this drop, what's next? What I can see here is market to give me a corrective structure upwards before the next drop. So for your dollar, this is a downtrend. It's a strong downtrend, I would say. And after this drop, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure and then one more fall. Which wave to trade? It's up to you. First of all, you can scalp this if you would like to. And after the completion of this correction, you can go for this trade to the downside. Okay? That's for your dollar, and this is what I can see next for this pair. Pound dollar for this one, those of you who don't know, this is actually a TradingView. We are using TradingView as charting platform, and usually we go for the 4-hour chart. Okay? Pound dollar, we've got this up wave, we've got this corrective structure, this up move, and this fall. In all the cases, this is a complex structure, but wave by wave, you can trade every single move. If you traded this move to the upside, you must have made money. And if you was able to go for this sell, you should also be able to make money with this trap. Okay, perfect. That's fantastic. It's a complex structure, Alan. What's next regarding this one? Next for this, I can see market pushing to the upside first before any next wave. So if you would like to trade this up wave, you go for it. If not, you wait for a corrective structure for one more drop. Personally, I think pound dollar will give us a corrective structure for another fall. And once market will give us this drop, then from this zone, we will see the reaction. But let's take it step by step, wave by wave. And those of you who don't know, we give trades of the week on during our Sunday sessions that will be conducted by T. And this week, we'll give the trades of the month as well for February. Those of you who don't know what the trades of the month look like, let me show you that. If I go to the website, this is the dashboard that you will get access to as soon as you join WeTradeWaves. If I go to the trades of the week and trades of the month, these were actually the trades of the week of last week. Okay, Euro New Zealand didn't went as expected. This was a move to the downside. I explained this shortly. And this was Aussie 200 to the upside. Now, if I go to the trades of the month, that will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session that will start at 12 p.m. UK time on every Sunday. Okay, it will be conducted by T. And this is New Zealand dollar of trades of the month for January. And this have hit the target. If I open it here, look at this one to the downside. And pound O's, all of you go to the chart, guys, you will see it. Okay, pound O's to the upside. This was also have hit the target. Now, in regards to trades of the week, Euro New Zealand for this one, we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure before the next upwave. We've got a sharp move to the downside before market started to go to the upside here. In all the cases, this was an invalid trade. Okay, and the next one was Aussie 200. This one to the target. Corrective structure up again. This Euro New Zealand market just gave us this sharp drop before the next upwave. So this trade gets invalid. Why invalid, Alan? Because we're expecting market to give us a corrective structure. Instead, we've got a sharp move, impulsive wave to the downside. So this is invalid here. The next one was Aussie 200. This one, we've got a corrective structure up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up, and then pull back up again. This was perfect. The trades of the month of January, if I go to this, New Zealand dollar to the downside, as most of you can see, market went to the downside. And if I go to pound O's for this one, market went to the upside from here all the way to break this top again. And if I zoom out, this was the trade of the month, by the way, from here all the way up. We've got this up wave, corrective structure here, and this up move. This was crazy trade. So this regarding, guys, the trades of the week and the trades of the month. Of course, we will not win every single trade, and sometimes market will not move as expected. Okay, so for pound dollar, corrective structure up, one more fall, and then we'll see the reaction. If you want to trade this up wave, you can certainly do that, but be careful with this trade because we have a lot of liquidity and we have fair value gap with other blocks. At the same time, the structure will be completed. If we get a correction, one more fall, it will be better. Gold for this one, I really hope all of you guys took the buy with us last week. This was the move to the upside, this was the corrective structure, and I told you last Saturday, one up push-up will be coming from here. If you took this buy, perfect. After this up wave, corrective structure up, and then market gave us this drop after the news. Okay, so in all the cases, if you took this buy, you must have made money. If you took this buy, you must have made money. Now, also we gave the levels here from here to here inside the community and for some of the members who were asking for it. And after this up wave, market started to fall because this level, we were monitoring this level here. Okay. Now, after this up wave, we've got this drop. What's next, Alan? Looks like market will give me a corrective structure and then one more fall for gold, guys. Okay. Again, this is not only for the structures, this depending on the global situation, depending on the macroeconomic factors, and depending on what's happening in the world. All the details regarding the news, regarding the fundamental analysis, regarding the geopolitics will be covered in detail by T at the start of every Sunday session. These sort of knowledge, guys, these sort of things that we'll cover, you will not get it anywhere but at Weighted Waves, by the way, okay? And Weighted Waivers, they know what I'm talking about and they know the value of it, okay? Structurally for this one, like I said, corrective structure for now, one more fall is very possible. Will this be one of our trades of the week? We'll let you know during the Sunday session. More details about Weighted Waves, check our website, you will know more. DXY, we are putting this again based on your requests, and after this contracting flat, we've got this up wave, and here we're having expanding flat within another expanding flat. This was the complete structure. After that, we've got this up wave, this correction, and the market started to push up. Alan, what's next for DXY? Market is complex here. Yes, it is complex, but regardless, the next wave for me, I believe market will give me a corrective structure and then one more push up, okay? So for dollar, I believe that market will give us a corrective structure and then it will push back up. This is based on the current market condition, this based on the current waves and where the market is at the moment. Alan, can the structure change? 100% it can. That's why you have to follow us on a weekly basis, and if you join us, you will get access to the daily live sessions that are conducted with the seniors, and you will get the updates on every Sunday and Wednesday as well from T. Okay, and even for February, we'll have the monthly Q&A session. It will be conducted in the next 2 weeks. A lot of things are happening, guys, inside Weighted Waves. You can see how many members are passing challenges, how many members are succeeding, and if you'd like to join, that's the best thing to do. First of all, invest in yourself, and second of all, do your due diligence before you join anyone. And joining the right community is a must for you to succeed, because most of you know that trading is a lonely business. And once you are with like-minded people, that's where you will find the real support, and that's where you will find the knowledge. Okay? So for DXY, I hope this is clear. More details will be covered during the Sunday session. Aussie dollar for this one, this was like all the other majors. We've got this complex structure here, one push up, this fall, this up wave, and then this drop. Everything actually is making sense now, because after this pullback, they were just making sure that are going up to take this liquidity here to go to this exact zone for order block and for smart money concept, I would say levels. After this wave here, market start to give us this drop. What's next, Alan? Corrective structure and one more fall. I can see Aussie dollar correcting to the upside before the next drop. Dollar Swiss for this one, I really hope most of you who were trading this one, you've got into this sell and you've made money trading this down wave. What after this drop? We've got a pullback, drop, corrective structure drop, and then from here, market started to push up. We've got our setups, we've got our BR strategy here, and after that, market started to push all the way up. What's next, Alan? This structure is completed till now, but it can get complex, which means a corrective structure here is a must before the next up wave that will break this top first, and then we'll see after. Okay? So dollar Swiss, what I can see next is a corrective structure, one push up. Which wave to trade is up to you. You can scalp this one, or you can wait for this corrective structure to finish before you go for the next up wave. Again, all of this, guys, is based on the current market condition, current waves. USOIL, this was perfect. I really hope most of you guys who trade this one get in the sell and made money trading this down wave. Those of you who don't know that we're expecting this drop, I can go to our YouTube channel, and I really hope all of you who were actually following us are subscribing by now. Because if you are not, guys, you might miss the next session. I want all of you are watching to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and that's how you'll get a notification whenever we have any new video posted. USOIL for this one, this was last week's forecast, and we said market will be falling to the downside, okay? If I scroll down, you can see this was actually posted 6 days ago, and if I go up, I was expecting market to give me this drop because at least we need a wave similar to this one. We've got it this week. And if I showed you as well the gold, this was the gold last week forecast, okay, to the upside. If you get into this buy, perfect, because I was covering the 1 hour chart last week, and if you went into this buy, you must have made money, okay? Back to USOIL, this was the drop, this was the before, and now this is the after. Again, guys, the most important part is for you to know where the market is going next and know how to trade the next wave. Why I'm saying that? Because in this wave alone, if you join us and you learn our strategies, you can make more than 12 to 1 in one single move in this wave, in this trade. More than 12 to 1, which is a crazy risk to reward, by the way. Okay? So it's not about like being right every single time. It's about learn how to trade correctly and make money. And are we able to teach our members how to trade correctly? I think the proof is in front of you. I just showed you 2 members how they passed the challenges, and a lot more are on our website and on our social media platforms, on Instagram mainly. So if you go here, if you go to the website, you click testimonials, you can see this, okay? If you go to our Trustpilot profile, you will see everything actually. You can see 600 reviews till now. And go back and read some of them, guys, what they are saying. These are all members who are actually joining us a few months ago. You will see what they are saying regarding weekly waves. At the same time, scroll down here. You can check some of the videos, and you can check also some of the success stories from inside the Slack community. Okay? So again, we are proud about every single member of Weekly Waves, and all of you guys, you can do it. If they can do it, you can do it too. If we can do it, you can do it too. All right? So for USOIL, again, this was a perfect trade. This was an amazing move. What's next? Next regarding this one is an up wave. And this up wave, it will be corrective or impulsive. In all the cases, short term, we can focus on this up wave as a scalping trade or as a swing trade. We will see that. For now, this up wave first. If this will be a corrective wave, we'll update you later on. For now, let's focus on this up wave, and then we'll see what the market will give us next. DORCAD, for this one, we've got this drop, a regular flat here, a corrective structure, and then a drop. After this drop, we've got our strategies, up, pull back, and then up again. What's next here? Looks like market will give us a corrective structure, and then one will push up. That's for $CAD. Alan, can the structure change? And we've got this drop, 100% we can. We are not, guys, controlling the market, and we will never be 100% with all the predictions, okay? And this is not our goal, by the way, because from one single wave, we can make 10 to 1, 5 to 1, from one single wave, from one single trade. And if you combine risk to reward with risk management, with strategies, with trade management, this is how you can succeed. And all of this is actually covered inside our masterclass course, okay? How to get access to this one? One single membership, WTW membership. It's an all-in-one solution for serious traders like you. The details are on our website. Back to the charts, DORCAD, this is what I can see. Corrective structure, one will push up. Dorian, for this one, most of you know this up wave, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. This was anyway posted on TradingView. I'll show you this one shortly anyway. But I want all of you to remember the levels. 150 is the level given to weighted waivers from here, from the start of this up wave. 150. And look where the market is at the moment. We've got this drop, corrective structure drop, corrective structure, and drop before the next up wave. What is the structure, Alan? This is called 5 waves corrective structure. This is the second structure here in the middle. So we have this drop, expanding flat, drop, regular flat, and then drop. This is called 5 waves corrective structure, guys. Okay? After that, market started to push up. It's a clear structure, clear setup to us. And what's next? Looks like we'll get a corrective structure, one will push up, corrective structure, one will push up. 150 is the level that we are waiting for. Now, I don't want any one of you to go on Monday and jump in from here and thinking that market will go like this to 150, this is how you'll make money. Don't do that, guys. I want you to be actually careful, guys, while following anybody. Don't follow anyone blindly and do not jump in, okay? That's why I always emphasize on you have to learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money, okay? Because if by Monday you'll jump in from here and market will fall, you will come next week and say, you know what, Alan, this didn't work. I lost money because of you. Never ever do that, guys, okay? Because whatever decision you take, it's your own responsibility, all right? So back to the charts, Bitcoin. For this one, this was a crazy accuracy. Let me go to these charts first. I'll show you dollar yen before I go to Bitcoin again. So dollar yen, this was the move to the upside, this was the prediction, corrective structure up, and we've got this up wave. Okay, most of you actually were in dollar yen. Let's go back to dollar yen. We were here, and from this way, from here we said market will push to the upside, and from this way of market correction, we've got this up move as well to the upside. Okay, so back to this chart, back to the prediction, corrective structure up, pull back, and then up again. That's done for dollar yen. Back to Bitcoin. I really hope most of you remember this one as well. We've got this drop to exact this level, and everything is actually nothing here, guys, is without a reason. Okay, every single move is for a reason, and this move, you can study it, you can predict it, and you can trade it as well if you know how to do it. So this drop was due to liquidity under these lows, these ones, and we're waiting for this zone. Why this buy zone? Because this buy zone, guys, is where the big fish, big players are putting their orders. Okay, and that's where most of the retail traders who are buying, they'll put stop loss in this zone, exactly this zone here. Okay, so Alan, this is hindsight. It's not hindsight. This forecast is here, and you can actually watch it on TradingView. You can see it on our YouTube, and this is the date where we have posted this one. Okay, you can see the date anywhere here, 21st of January. Okay, so if I minimize the chart again, go to Bitcoin. For this one, we've got this drop to exact this zone. Market just touched this zone here, and then we've got this up wave all the way up till here now. Okay, what's next? Looks like market will give me a corrective structure before the next up wave, and then after this up move, we will update you, because from here we can get a drop or we can get another structure. For now, this is what I can see next for Bitcoin before the next up wave. All right, guys. Again, which wave to trade is up to you, but this is what we can see based on weighted waves, wave analysis concept. Pound yen, for this one, market gave us this drop, corrective structure drop, and then this up move. This is a complex structure. If we get a correction here, one push up will be coming. Will this be one of our trades of the week? We'll let you know during the Sunday session. For now, corrective structure, one push up is very possible before the next wave. Euro New Zealand, again, this was one of our trades of the week that was not going as expected. Okay, so every time, guys, we are actually wrong, we claim it. All right, so even this was not going as expected, but it was not a loss because this trade was invalid. Anyway, we've got this drop here, up, corrective structure, our special strategies from here to the upside, pull back and up again. Every single strategy that we taught our members inside the masterclass, they can find it in this move to the upside, and they can make money trading it. Regardless, what's next regarding this one? Corrective structure, one push up, and this can be a complex structure. So we can get this drop before the next up wave, or market can give us a corrective structure, one push up. For now, I will stay away from Euro New Zealand. If I need to take any trade, I will wait for market to give me a corrective structure. Before this corrective structure, no trades. Okay? If I really need to take a decision right now, at the moment, I might scalp this to the downside before the next move. All right, guys? US30, I really hope most of you remember what we said from here. Up, corrective structure up, corrective structure up. So market will keep pushing to the upside until it's ready for the fall. And every new top is the potential last top for this one. Okay, so we've got this drop, this up wave. If I go to the 1 hour just to show you the structures even in lower time frames, this was an expanding flat here. Okay, after this expanding flat, market went to the upside to broke this top. If market were to give us a corrective structure here, this would have been a great sell. But we've got this sharp up wave to the upside here, and we broke this top and this top. What's next? I'll zoom out. I'll go back to the 4 hours. I'm expecting market to keep crawling to the downside and then up again. Like small corrective structure and up again until market is ready for the big fall. And we have a timeline and we have levels, by the way. Okay, if you want to know the levels here and you want to know when to expect market to fall, we'll explain this in detail during the Sunday session that will be covered tomorrow by tea, starting 12 p.m. UK time. With that note, guys, I wish you a successful trading week. You trade with care and we trade waivers. Be ready for an amazing trading week, and let's make more money together.